All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have been out of commission for a little while, so I'm gonna kind of discuss what was going on. That's kind of why I haven't been making any videos, but we back, baby. Let's go. All right, you guys, so yeah, my bike was in the shop for about a month, and it was all because of a wobbly wheel. And still, I'm not 1,000% on it, but it is a lot better. So like I said, I had this wobbly wheel. I made a video on it. I did the air pressure. I checked the tie rods. I did all of that. As you see, I don't scuffed it up because I was trying to make adjustments on it, and it just was not that. It was just wobbly, and it got worse. And every time I hit a bump, my bike would go like this, just like how my phone did right there. That's what it looked like. So I finally broke down and took it to the shop. So I'm gonna show you what I believe they found. This is what I was told, and hopefully this will help somebody else in the future. So if you can see this little blue thing right here, if I'm not mistaken, it's like a steering bushing of some sort, some type of bushing, and I think it's for your steering. And this is what had failed on me. So this is a $7 part. So I'm gonna try to get, there we go, a little better picture. This little blue thing in here, that's what failed on me. And it's connected basically to a bar, this bar right here, and I believe that goes all the way up to your steering and whatnot. But yeah, this piece failed, and y'all, I'm no mechanic, but from what I know, this piece failed. $7 part. And so it took them 2 weeks to figure out what it was. Well, I should say it took them 2 weeks to actually get to the bike, then a week for them to tell me what it was, then another week for the part to come in, and about an hour of maintenance time to replace it. So you can see the little blue piece there. You know, you can see, you know, these. But check this out. I'm gonna move the handlebar. As I'm moving the handlebar, you can see all of that stuff in there moving. That is connected to it. So again, that's the part that I believe that failed, and it was $7. So I'm sure your question now is, well, how much did that cost you? So again, the part cost me $7. The shop does $129 per hour. They did 0.9 hours of labor for when they diagnosed the bike, and then they did an hour labor of actually fixing it. So in total, I have to get you the receipt, and I could probably get you the receipt here in a few. But I believe it cost me $265, $267 after tax to fix a $7 part. So again, I do encourage all you guys who do get these Rykers, any type of recreational vehicle like this, that you really want to try to do most of the work yourself. If you can't figure it out, which I probably went about a year trying to figure out what it was, and I really couldn't figure out what it was, just because I don't know all the internal mechanics like that. So since I couldn't figure it out, took it to the shop, bit the bullet, $260 something. But now I know what the problem is. I'm sharing it with you guys. So if anybody is, you know, got this type of issue, check out that piece right there, and hopefully it'll save you some money. So yet again, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. If you don't know that the channel is going through some changes, it definitely is. JD on 3, you already know what time it is. Ryker fam, tap in, let's go.